Hey everybody, how you doing? Where have I been? I don't know. Maybe you'll see. But why I got a mallet? Because we're putting flooring down in the bathroom again. This is the third go. Okay, we probably had videos prior, long time ago, when we was putting flooring in the bathroom. That flooring did not succeed. Okay, it pulled up. All right. So we gotta put this one down. It's waterproof. It's kind of going to be like what's in the rest of the house. It is, but it isn't. But this is what I would call bathroom floor, not bathroom wood. So let's get to it. Hopefully we do it well. The floor is a little sticky. The floor is so sticky because the previous flooring had glue on it. That's why you'll see carpet on the floor. But don't try not to get the sticky stuff on our clothes because it will not come out. So let's get this party rolling. Okay. You read my mind.
Feel different? Feel thicker?
Oh, am I supposed to pull that off the bottom?
No. It has the underlayment on it.
You sure?
Yes, that's the underlayment.
Is
that pen?
long? He needs that long?
Yep.
You have to watch out, Mom. There's a lot of smoke.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hey, what happened?
So the power went out last night. We didn't get very far. We only got to 3 boards before the power just shut off. But I'm going to try to finish the flooring today while Justin's at work. There's not a lot of bathroom, but it's bigger than a powder room. It's bigger than it's probably an average size bathroom. So let's hope we can get through this today and around difficult things like toilets and things like that. So yeah.
Careful, Mom, they're small.
Liver and stuff.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. a second, I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second, I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting